How to use AliExpress coupon code. First of all, open AliExpress, and after that I will tap on my account section from here on the first one, and after that tap on coupons from here, this option, and after that he will show you all the coupons you have inside your account. And if you want more coupons, just tap on get more coupons. And AliExpress, he will give you more coupons from here on different products, and you can choose whatever you want. For example, if you want this product, just tap on collect from here, and he will apply the code and will give you discount. And if you have certain code and you want to apply it on products and you don't know how to do it, for example, I will do it all on this product. I will tap on it and tap on it again, and after that tap on buy now and tap on continue, and after that scroll down and you will find the promo code. Tap on enter code here and paste your code from here and tap on apply, and he will give you a discount. And basically that's it. This is how you do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.